Hello and happy Wednesday. My name is Colleen, and November is Mouth Cancer Action Month. Okay, so dental professionals like you have one of the most significant roles in advocating for oral cancer awareness. And in celebration of this month, or in recognition, I should say, of this month, Princess Dental Staffing has put together 6 ways dental health professionals can spread awareness and reduce patients' chances of becoming another statistic. Okay, so that's what we're going to be talking about today. But before we dive too deeply into that, just want to talk for a moment about Princess Dental Staffing. They are a dental job board and they have positions available for dental receptionists, dental assistants, dental hygienists, and dentists in a variety of areas and other roles as well in a variety of areas. We're talking full time, part time, temporary, and permanent roles available. So if you're currently looking for work in the dental industry, visit princessdentalstaffing.com and you can see what positions they have available in your area. You can also create a profile and get your information in front of hiring managers if you are a dental job seeker. If you are a hiring manager, there's a lot of really great information on princessdentalstaffing.com, along with Princess Dental Staffing's contact information, phone number, email address, and they have chat available on the website as well. Also on princessdentalstaffing.com, you can check out their blog, which covers a lot of the same topics that we cover in these live streams. Speaking of these streams, each week, Princess Dental Staffing is bringing you a new live stream talking about dental industry and dental career topics. Okay, so if you enjoy these streams, be sure to follow our page or subscribe to our channel. If you like the content that we're bringing you, please do drop us a like. And if you have anything to contribute to the conversation, anything about the dental industry or about the specific content that we're bringing you, be sure to comment below and let's start a conversation. Okay. All right. So let's talk about Cancer Action Month. Okay. So let's start off by talking about some oral cancer statistics. Okay. Oral cancer awareness is important because the latest statistics on oral cancer in the United States, these are from 2020. Here are some of the statistics just to kind of give you an idea about oral cancer in the United States and why awareness is so important, right? So the number of new cases a year are about 45,703. Okay, that's new cases a year according to 2020 data. Number of deaths a year are 10,835 people. Okay, so that's pretty high. And the male to female ratio was 3 to 4. So it affects males a little bit less than it does, affects men a little bit less than it does women, but it's about the same. Okay. So, looking at these statistics, it's apparent why early detection is so important. And as a dental professional, you can save lives by identifying early signs and promoting awareness by encouraging preventative behaviors and regular screenings. Okay, so let's talk about some of the ways that you can spread awareness. Okay, first of all, or some of the reasons rather why you want to spread awareness about oral cancer. Okay, first, it helps increase survival rates, right? So, patients diagnosed early with oral cancer have a higher chance of successful treatment. Advocating for awareness helps patients recognize symptoms sooner. Okay, so they can do something about them sooner. Next, increasing awareness of risk factors. So many patients are unaware that certain lifestyle choices can significantly impact their oral health. For example, smoking, alcohol consumption, and even certain dietary habits. Okay. And another way that, or another reason why you want to support oral cancer awareness is to help preventative health or to help encourage preventative health practices, right? Educating patients about the connection between their oral and overall health encourages them to make positive lifestyle changes and take preventative steps. Okay. And we've discussed in several, previous streams about the connection between oral health and overall health. There is a strong connection. So we definitely want to make patients aware of that as well. Okay. So those are some of the reasons why you definitely want to raise awareness about mouth cancer and support Mouth Cancer Action Month in the month of November and beyond as well. So let's talk about 6 ways dental professionals can promote oral cancer awareness, right? So whether you are a dentist, a dental hygienist, or a dental assistant, there are ways to advocate for awareness during Mouth Cancer Action Month and beyond. So here are some of the ways that you can make a difference as a dental professional. First, you can integrate regular oral cancer screenings into appointments. Every dental team member supports routine screenings, encouraging patients to make oral cancer screening a part of their dental visits. Okay, so let's take a look at like specifically how each role can help prevent oral cancer through screenings. As a dentist, you can educate patients using visual and tactile exams during checkups. Make it clear that screenings are quick and painless. As a dental hygienist, excuse me, during cleanings, remind patients about early detection and explain the screening process. Reinforcing this message helps patients see screenings as part of their routine care, right? Part of their routine. Okay, and dental assistants, you can help educate patients on what to expect. Okay, and encourage them to ask questions about screenings and their benefits. Okay. So that's one way that dental professionals can raise, oral cancer awareness. Another way you can educate patients on oral cancer risks and prevention. So patient education, it is a central part of a dental professional's role, right? Discussing the risks and prevention strategies can help patients make informed decisions about their health. So you can discuss lifestyle risk factors, mention the risks associated with tobacco, alcohol, and poor diet. And then for patients in higher risk groups, like those over 40 or those with a family history of cancer, discuss additional ways to help reduce the risk. Okay. And you can also encourage self exams. So explain how patients can perform simple self checks at home. And this will empower them to identify anything unusual in their mouths, such as lumps, sores, or patches, things like that, that they definitely want a professional to check out. Okay. All right, next, another way dental professionals can encourage oral cancer awareness and prevention, use social media to spread awareness, right? It's social media is such a powerful tool, and reaching current patients and a broader audience through social media can be incredibly influential. So you can create educational posts in November or outside of November, but we're talking about November right now. But there will be a ton to post about, oral cancer statistics, symptoms, and prevention tips. So you can absolutely create posts and share them all over your social media to educate not just your patient base, but beyond your patient base. Also, you can share patient stories. Be sure to get permission first, okay? Always a good idea to get permission first, but you can absolutely share stories of patients who detected oral cancer early and what their outcomes were. And this can help motivate and inspire others to prioritize screenings and preventative measures, okay? Next, offer patients take home resources, right? So patients can reinforce your message after their appointment by taking home informative resources. So, one of the things you can do is create educational kits, okay? Prepare small kits with brochures on mouth cancer symptoms, self exam instructions, and tips on reducing risk factors. And you can offer a self exam guide as well. So, a guide with visuals and step by step instructions on performing a self exam at home is an excellent addition to a patient's oral health routine. Okay. All right, another way dental professionals can help raise oral cancer awareness during this month is by participating in community outreach. Dental professionals can make an impact beyond their practice by participating in community events, health fairs, or school presentations, things of that nature. You can join local health fairs and offer free screenings or hand out educational materials at the fairs or at local health events. And this can increase your visibility while supporting oral health awareness. So there's definitely this one's a double whammy, right? You can raise awareness while raising your own practice's visibility. You can also present at schools or community centers. Educating younger audiences and local community groups about oral health can impact mouth cancer awareness in the long term. Explain the basics of oral health and its connection to overall health, and make sure that you emphasize prevention. Okay. And the final way that dental professionals can raise awareness about oral health and cancer is to continue to learn, train, and grow as professionals. So, the more informed and well prepared your team is, the more assured you can feel in providing accurate and up to date patient information. Okay, so provide continuing education for staff. You can attend training sessions or seminars focused on the latest in oral cancer prevention and detection techniques. Being informed helps the entire team communicate confidently with patients, and also helps you to stay abreast of changes in the industry and best practices. Okay, you can also encourage open communication with patients, so patients feel more comfortable and receptive when discussing oral health openly. Ensure your team is there to answer any questions about oral health and general, or about oral cancer and also general oral health. Okay. So, Mouth Cancer Action Month reminds us of oral cancer's impact, not only in November, but year round. So, let's work together to educate, empower, and protect our patients and communities from oral cancer, one screening and one conversation at a time. Okay. So, how did you feel about this list? I mean, is there anything that you as a dental professional are doing in your office? Is there a practice or a best practice that you're following in your office that can help raise awareness among your patient base and the community at large about mouth cancer, oral health tied to overall health, and all of those sorts of things? What are you guys doing? Let's start a conversation and let's help each other out. Okay, that will do it for me today, everyone. We will be back next week covering a new topic regarding your career in the dental industry, or talking about dental industry topics. But until then, I hope you have a great week. Have a great weekend. Continue to stay safe out there. I